Hi guys, this is Tech Howdy. I welcome you to this video tutorial on ASP.NET Core 2.1 creating an image gallery. In this video tutorial, we will be working on an index view and we will be creating an upload form using Bootstrap. So let's do that. So guys, we have finished completing coding our form to upload our image gallery. So we are going to submit our form with a gallery title and then upload the images. We have an upload images button which when clicked we can select the files that we need to upload, and then once we upload the files, select the files, here is like we have created a counter which will count the number of files. I haven't yet coded the method for previewing the image count. That's because we have not yet written our custom JavaScript code, and we are going to do that in the next video tutorial. But before we jump and code our JavaScript for this image gallery, let me explain to you what exactly I have created. I'll use some Bootstrap code to create a form and some buttons within the form. What I'm doing here is I'm preventing the default function or event of the form when the form is submitted, which means that before the form is submitted, we want to make sure and validate everything within the form is fine and it's ready to be uploaded. Therefore, we want to first prevent the default function, and then we are going to call our Ajax post method, which we will code in our custom JavaScript file. When the Ajax post method is called, a form will be submitted. Make sure you include the attribute enc type, that's enc type, because we need to make sure that we want to upload files. Therefore, we want to add this particular attribute. If you don't add this attribute, multi-part /form -data, you would not be able to upload files when you're submitting forms. Now, also the naming, I have added a name attribute to our input tags and I have given it a name of gallery title. And that's because when my form is submitted, I want to access the value of this input tag, which is gallery title. And to access it using our iForm collection object, form data, we need to use the name of the element. Therefore, if you remember when I created this control, I told you why I'm using the name gallery title. I will explain it to you when I code the form. And that's the reason why. It gets the value from the element whose name is gallery title. Now, the next thing that I want to tell you is the submit and cancel button. The form will be submitted, but before that we have a clear preview button. When you upload the images, you will see a table with preview images, like a thumbnail with some preview. So when you upload the images, let's say I selected these 3 images, I uploaded them, you will see a preview of these 3 images. You'll see a table with each image in each row, and there will be an option to add the caption to that image, and that we will also do by using JavaScript. Therefore, I created within a form a table. The table is empty because we will use jQuery to code the rows and columns of the table using the preview images. That too will be a part of a custom JS file. And finally, we will have an option within the table as well to edit the images, edit the preview images. So we can add that as well, and we will do that. So, and the cancel button will reset the form. So anything, when we press the cancel, the form will be reset to its default values. Okay, so that's all we have in the form. And clear preview button, when you hit the clear preview button, the table will be empty. It will disappear and it will take you to uh, this particular view that you see now, where you don't have any preview images. So we will see this how we work on the functionality with JavaScript in our next video tutorial and step-by-step guide. So for now, that is it for this tutorial. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention is that the upload image, the input type, make sure the type you have specified is files. That's because you're going to upload files. So it is very important that the type of this input tag is file. And the multi-accept attribute is image / a star sign, which means you can upload images of any type, that is JPEG, PNG, GIF, and so on. So if you want to upload anything other than images like PDF and so on, so you can change this as well. Okay, but I'm just uploading images. That's why I said images / any extension. So that's it. So for this video tutorial, and in the next video tutorial, we will start coding the functionality using jQuery. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.